just get up here past them and turn in as soon as you can and park. Yeah, there's parking at this restaurant. Turn in right here. And just find a place to park. Just turn right here. What is this bitch doing? She doesn't know what the fuck she's doing. My back right there, Charlie. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out.
User one.
User 049, over to the sound of Union War 4206, use appointment.
I'm not sure where the scene is yet, guys. Oh, here we go. This thing being stupid. Trying to find the scene, guys. I don't know where it's at. I don't know where the scene is. You know where it happened?
I don't know. They just ran over here from somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's alright, guys. My gimbal's being stupid as fuck again. I'm not sure why it keeps doing that. What's up, guys? Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Good. That's a damn Gina right there, guys. So there they go. Lights and sirens with the Tacoma PD escorting behind. So I guess this is where he dropped right here, guys. He dropped right there, and they just took off out of here. So they're already pretty much clearing the scene. Quite a few units here. Oh my God, this fucking gimbal, guys. I'm not sure why it keeps doing that. Anyway, so Travel responded, Tacoma PD responded. It was a stabbing. I guess he was stabbed 3 times in the chest area. And the Tacoma Fire just took off out of here with him. And yeah, this is a shit area. There's stuff always popping up around here. It's pretty hot. You guys know what we got to do, right? That's what happens when you leave your computer up. There ain't shit he can do. Seatbelt. 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 Put your seatbelt on. No seatbelt. Look at that, guys. No seatbelt. Is anybody surprised? Seatbelt. Seatbelt. Don't be difficult. You can do it the hard way or the easy way. He's pissed off, guys. He didn't like that. Sorry about the gimbal, guys. My apologies. Yeah, he didn't like that. I called him out for a seatbelt.
That's his blood right here.
It's all yours, man. I don't want it. That's blood right there, guys. See that? That is blood. Yeah, he didn't like that when I told him to put his seatbelt on. These fuckers never wear their seatbelt. I'll try to catch up on the chat when I get back in the car, guys. I 100% appreciate you guys being here. We almost got a call. God damn this fucking gimbal. I don't mess around with this a whole lot when I'm home to make sure it's 100% working correct. I just kind of plug it in, and when I come out, I pop my phone on it. And that's what happens. Huh? Okay. You got the keys? So it's probably going to dump on me again and turn sideways, guys. Yeah, they leave their computer up. I'm going to get it every time. It's just something we got to do. I don't know if somebody's in this unit right here or not. I think there is. God damn it. Yeah, it's closed. That's why everybody's at the window. So I guess we're going vertical for a minute, guys. So that's a war pony right there, guys. Stabbing. The guy sounded like he was pretty critical, too. Hopefully he makes it. I don't know if it was a fight or... This area is shady as fuck, y'all. I don't even like sticking around in here too long. These are the nights and the places when you were glad you got a vest on. We're already getting looks. People don't like to be on camera. Too fucking bad. Go inside your house and pull the blinds. You don't want to be on camera. Alright guys, give me a second to shrink everything down here. Where'd he come from? Oh, he must be the other unit. Yeah, so this scene got shut down pretty quickly. I think because it didn't happen. There might be another scene where he was actually stabbed, but I don't think he was able to talk. So that's might be why they moved. This is my other charger that I didn't want to lose. I'll just set it right here for now, I guess. Hold on a second, guys. I'll get you back horizontal here. This effing gimbal. Oops. These. I'll just hang out here for a minute. Okay. Lock those doors. Yeah, me too. We'll find somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I can mess around with my Bluetooth on this thing while we're live either. Otherwise, I'd make sure the Bluetooth is on. But I think if I do,
that was quick in and out.
Where's the fucking picture? Hold on, guys. We're having some issues here. I lost my picture. What is going on? I don't know what's going on, guys. I lost my picture somehow. What do you have on yours? Did it? It still shows as live. But... Yeah, I don't like fall, Ethan. I prefer the hot weather. I don't like all this rain and this cold shit. Let's see. So you guys can. I'm watching on my other phone. You guys can see. I'm watching on my other phone. You guys can see. But I've got no picture on my side. But I've got no picture on my side. But I've got no picture on my side.
Like echo.
I don't know what's going on. It's just completely black. It's just completely black. I mean, I guess I don't. Yeah, because if.
What is this right here?
Oh, this is nothing. I already touched it. Oh, this is nothing. I already touched it. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. All right, guys. Now I can see what I'm doing. All right, guys. Now I can see what I'm doing. Sorry about that. Now I can see what I'm doing. Sorry about that. All right. Because I've got the volume up on yours.
Mm.
Where's those glasses at?
He must be inside looking at camera video, huh?
Oh, yeah, maybe we're witnesses.
Mm.
Why are you guys so scared? Now I gotta scroll all the way back to the beginning of you guys' text. Jarvis saying speed up. A friend of mine who lives in Tacoma heard being stabbed right below his window years ago. You're good. I fought to pull out. Wheeling. We didn't see that. Vulcan Drive. Car theft is a huge problem in Tacoma. Drive. They're setting up containment and they're still looking for him. Oh, thank you, Mr. Happy, for the stabbing guy. Okay. So we might hang out in the area or maybe move down Portland Ave a little bit and see yeah, because they're still on tack 2, I think. It's fucking gimbal. I want to smash it if it wasn't so expensive. Let's see. But I think it's because the Bluetooth disconnects and you gotta have the Bluetooth connected. No one cares the speed on hill. I'm going all the way over to the right. Reading all the directions you guys gave me. Who's playing at Tacoma Dome? Yeah, I don't know who was there. Did you watch the Mariners game? Yeah, didn't you hear, Jarvis? The Mariners made it to the Stanley Cup. That's what DL Observer said. It's the War Pony is tribal property, not city of Tacoma. Yeah, it's not the city of Tacoma, but there was like 12 Tacoma PD units here.
Yeah, there's one right
and like 2 tribal units. It's crazy. I'm not sure how that works. This kid trying to get inside the store, but I don't think they let anybody in after hours.
Yeah, there's a sign right in front of his face.
It's a lot of pork. Yeah, no kidding, right? I want her badge number and body cam. Yeah, she was hot. She was cute too. She's married though. Yeah, most likely.
Oh, he let him in.
I can almost read it. Tune into Tokyo. Not surprised. Damn, where they left alone. That was a Puyallup trying to tell you to show respect. Who said that? That was a Puyallup trying to tell you to show respect. Oh, I didn't catch that. Andrews County, just take your time, bro. Go Mariners. I turn my TV. You good? Taking the bedroom in practice. No issues here. DoorDash, not scary. Get an error on my Linux image to failure to build. Oh, I got you pictures. Mr. Happy got to get on Android. Yeah, that's what I got as an Android. I don't mess with the iPhones. Reset your insane. You probably just need to reset your browser. I can see this fine. Yeah, you guys were. I was able to look on my other phone. You guys were able to see just fine, but my screen was blacked out. I couldn't see anything. Where are you guys so scared. Who's scared, Jarvis? Holy shit, it's kind of trippy. You got any LSD?
Yeah, nobody's scared here.
Hey, Jennifer, what's up? Hi. Lose the gimbal, too much trouble. Right? That's what I'm saying, but it's just, I don't know. You're kind of right. I do kind of like just hold it in my hand and just record, but yeah. I think, you know why, DL, the reason I have a hard time giving it up is because I paid so damn much money for it. But I think the problem is I have to connect it via a Bluetooth, and I think the Bluetooth keeps disconnecting, and then you can't use the gimbal after that. Added your link on Tacoma Files post. Yes, so far, Bougie, Tacoma Files still likes me, I think. I don't ever post anything on there like Matthew Washam. I heard some people say that Tacoma Files doesn't let people post anything on there, and he's kind of picky and he's blocked some people. That's just what I heard. I don't know, but Matthew Washam, the older guy that's out recording a lot of stuff, he posts up his videos and stuff on there. I've never done it. I think I've told people, hey, I got video of that, go over to my channel, but I've never actually tried to throw my shit up on there. Sovereign property. Yeah, I don't understand the Tacoma PD being here, Roger. I don't, and they seem to be the primary. There was like 2 tribal cops here, and that was it. But granted, they don't have a lot of cops or units anyways, but go already boring. Hey, Jennifer, there's probably something else on TV you could go watch if I'm boring you. Hey, Bougie, I think I seen you on Tinder. You guys are crazy. I'm just pretending. I don't know what it's like to stream like you're doing. Maps freelance dude just does stuff for the news. He's the night crawler. Matt. I'm talking about Matthew Washam. He's an older guy. He pretty much just does Pierce County. He might do Tacoma a little bit. He's an older dude. He's old school. He records like car accidents and wrecks, and he'll go to incidents like this, I think, but he doesn't talk during his stuff. Unlike me, I never shut the hell up. But he doesn't talk during his videos because he tries to sell them to the media, the news stations. He's a cool dude, though. I talked to him. He's a subscriber, and he's cool. Jennifer is a big complainer. Yeah, I know. It seems like all Jennifers are. I don't know what it is with that, but when you got any, lock the doors. Yeah, we did, Jarvis. Because I don't trust you. You're going to try to moon me again. All right. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go left and see if they've got a scene down there somewhere. Just kidding, Jennifer. We love you. Yeah, you could probably go to the right somehow. This jackass doesn't watch out. He's gonna fucking back into you, dude. Honk your horn, bro.
Jeez.
Motherfucker was gonna hit us. God damn, these fucking people. Yeah, there's still people here, but they're not locked down. Left. Maybe when you can safely do it. So to zoom this. Just go slow, bro. Just seeing if they're got a scene down here somewhere.
I know, I was pulling out in front of somebody.
There's a unit. There's a couple of units. All right, so go straight and then we'll pull into the 7-Eleven. So there's yeah, they might have arrested somebody already down here, guys. There's several units down here. God damn it. Yeah, go to the left when you get in there. So we're gonna get out again, guys. We're going gimbal free because I think that just parking a spot in the 7-Eleven. They might have somebody in custody here. I can't tell yet. We'll get out and see. Just watch it if you're gonna be really obvious in the 7-Eleven because they can come out and fucking tow us. All right, guys. I think these guys are already pulling away, but we'll see. There's like 4 units here. He ain't gonna let you use one either.
I'll buy some.
There you go. Let me know if it works. Well, there's a couple of units here, guys. It looked like they were arresting somebody, but I could be wrong. It's that little hottie, guys. The one from back up there at the scene, that's her on the left. So they might have taken somebody away from here. I couldn't really tell when they pulled up. I think right now they're just sitting here bullshitting, wasting our time on taxpayers' dime, standing around doing nothing. Did he let you use it? Did he let you? Yeah, it's tough to find a bathroom in Tacoma because most of them like, nope.
Yeah, he was like, nope.
I think they're literally just sitting here bullshitting, guys. No, they got someone. They do have somebody in here, guys.
Right now, I'm a single.
Oh, that's good. Let me take this fucking up here.
My deal is expired. My license. That's all the thing. I'm a probation. I want you.
Probation for what?
I get out the pictures. I better kill my queen. I'm a crazy. Pennsylvania, Batoli. I who voice it. I don't got my medicine here. I need my life. Don't tell her my license don't stay. That's my cow number. I don't have money. No, not take nothing with me. That's my license with that puto.
He said puto.
I have my people on the street. My license is expired. I go by weed. We see the manufacturing is expired. I got money to use my business card. I'm afraid of
Right in front of my camera. Nice job, asshole. He could have fucking stood anywhere, but he stands right in front of my camera. Fucking douchebag. Douchebag. Right there.
Put his property on your passengers.
Thank you. I'm gonna type the citation right now.
You guys see that cop walk right in front of the camera? For what? Put his back right in front of me. Fucking douchebag. I hear more sirens, guys. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. It's my job. Yeah, there's that fucking douchebag right there. What is it? Unit 2946. Walked over and put his back right in front of my camera. Well, we kind of got a call, guys. A stabbing. Lights on. Seatbelt. 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 I hope he gets out and says, what? How many out of all the cars that were here on his call, how many of them think put their seatbelt on? I'm going with 2. And there was what, like 7 cars? What's that? Oh yeah, I just wanted to make sure you had your seatbelt on. There you go.
Okay, have a good day.
You too, man. Thank you. Stay safe. See that, guys? I know that.